Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you please click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. Now we will be expecting some movement on GBP, JPY. That is what we'll be doing. We want to know what markets will happen today. But before I go ahead, to explain what we should be expecting on GBPJPY. Now, those of you that have actually been complaining that you can't access the Patreon channel, you can now access it. Especially, that on that channel we put out high probability trade. Especially for those of you that are having trouble growing up your accounts or everything, you're having difficulty trading, then we can now offer some trade for you that is on the Patreon channel. So we are currently offering a 40% discount. So once you go to the comment section, you will see the link to the Patreon channel. Sign up to the Patreon channel. There we put out a probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. That is the trade we will be sharing on that Patreon channel. So these are a couple of trades we actually took yesterday, which was on Monday. We took a trade on GBP USD. You can see September 25, we actually hit our profit. We also took a trade on Euro card September 25. We actually hit our profits. Both trade were actually a wonderful trade. I'll also be putting a link to some of those playlists of trade we've taken so far, so you can watch them and confirm. So today also we'll be looking to take another awesome trade. So if you're interested, sign up to the Patreon channel. Now back to this my analysis on GBPJPY. Now, if you want to take this trade, we all know we want to know the trend first. What is the trend? Current trend, I mean, if you have to look at it, the overall trend, this is bullish, right? No doubt about that. The overall trend is bullish. But because want to look at what markets will be happening today only, right? Then we will want to look at the current trend, and I'm seeing it on the forward time frame. We can see that this is actually trending down. I've also included or added my trend line. We see price from this trend drop. We saw a pullback, came to this our trend line, drop, came to this close our trend line. Now, price this somehow came to this trend line, it has dropped. Now price is now moving. I will be seeing it come to this our trend line also. So if eventually it can come to this our trend line, then we should be looking for another sell. So we will be looking for a drop on GBP JPY. So that is what we'll be looking out for. So once this price can come to this trend line, go ahead and sell. But do not just sell blindly. You would want to wait for a confirmation on your 15 minutes and your 5 minutes charts. You want to wait for a confirmation and see if it is time to sell or if it is time for you to, it just depends on how you want to do it. But one thing we know is that if we can get a good setup on JPY, then we are going to share it on the Patreon channel. So if you're interested, all you just have to do is go to the link in the comment section, click on the link, sign up, then you get access to those high probability trade. Once again, I'm still expecting a movement to the downside on GBPJPY, so it just depends on when and how market is going to play out for today.